So today we are gonna cook beef hot pot. It's a comfort food that brings people together. Asian dish, laging maraming garlic. Lagyan natin ng asin. Importante yung mushrooms. Beef tendon. Ito, broth galing sa beef brisket. Ramen, beef fat. Kalahating beef cube. Garlic din. Tapos pwede mo nang i-add yung beef and yung gulay. And konting patis. Tara, tikman na natin. Excited ako. Sarap. Noodles na kinuha ko lang sa instant ramen. Shoutout sa ating mga inday ng Sitio Veteran, sila Ate Joanne, Grace, Jayanne, Nessel, Tonette, and Ate Salve. Thank you for watching! Bye!